Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find the like videos on your Facebook profile. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Facebook application and now select your profile icon on top of your right screen, select it, and now scroll down and go to settings and privacy, expand that option, and now go to settings here, and now scroll down and find your activity option, and here it is, and under that you can see activity log. Click that option, and here you can see your Facebook activity. Expand that option, and here you can see comments and reaction that include likes. Just click the manage comments and reaction option, and after clicking that, as you can see, all the posts I previously liked, including videos and pictures, are here. I watched this video and I reacted to this one. Just click it and you can also see the video, and this is the video, and in this way you can easily find the like videos on Facebook. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.